Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. When you are open your DaVinci Resolve software showing unsupported GPU processing mode error, don't worry about it. I have faced this error and the method I apply to correct this error will be explained step by step in this video. So watch the video till the end. Solution 1. First of all, open Device Manager, double click on Display Adapter and then right click on the graphics driver and go to Properties, select the driver option and click on the rollback drivers. If the driver is not updated properly, then doing so revert it to its previous version. By doing this, your problem will be fixed. If not, then follow the next. Solution 2. Second method is go to the setting, click on the Windows Update and then check if any update is available, then update it and then restart your system and check. After doing this step, I am sure your problem will be fixed. If still it doesn't work, then uninstall it and reinstall it. If you found this video is helpful, then like the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.